page. You could cut out a smaller circle, put this behind it, sandwich it. You could do something really fun with these embossed tins. What did we use? These are like the little baby muffin tins. They're not super flimsy, but they're not as hard as the super heavy metal ones. So the first thing we want to do with this is we want to get it flattened. And I'm going to show you how you do that. I'm using my Big Shot, but any sort of an embossing machine or a die cut machine will probably work. So I am going to think I only need one plate. I'm going to find out here. So you need to add as many plates or a shim or whatever you need to get this to be. I don't think it wants that. Looks like I needed to add one more shim to this. And here we go. Look at how pretty that is, nice and smooth. So easy. And I used my fat plate, these two, and then just a thin shim that goes in there, and it gave me a really nice, flat, smooth texture. So what we're going to do next, so these are embossing folders, and these are like the really deep ones. They're more like called texture plates. And I found this really does work the best on the metal. You can use the regular embossing folders, but you're not going to get as deep of a emboss with the lighter weight ones. So for this one, I am going to use one plate, the heavy bottom, and that thick folder. Let's see. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? Now it would be fun is to use some the blackening oxide, put it over, darken it up, paint it, anything you would like. Easy, fast, another way to use your machine. And these are just those fun tins. You can get them on Amazon. And they're like I think they're more like, I called them little muffin tins, but they're not the lightweight like a cupcake liner. They are heavier like metal tins. I hope you enjoyed this and thought this was easy. Whatever you do, have fun.